Greetings. Hello. Welcome to the Life and Transitions Experts YouTube channel and Facebook group. I'm your host, Courtney Rollins here, hopefully with some more content that can help you through some of those big challenging transitions in life. And one of those is facing the fact that we all have a date where we all are going to pass away. It's going to happen. It's one of those things that's a part of life. People say two things certain, taxes and death. Well, death is one of those things. And it can be challenging for folks to deal with. It can be a hard topic to deal with. Now, I've found that I've been in this space, in this world. I've actually found that focusing on and recognizing my mortality and doing the things I need to do to put things in place to protect my family, my loved ones, the legacy I want to share, it actually gives me permission to live my life knowing that those are all taken care of. And one of those tools that we can use to do that is having the proper type of insurance in place. So today we're going to talk about real quickly some tips for you for finding the right insurance for you because not every insurance is the same, and of course you are not the same as every other person. So yours has to be specific to your needs and to your desires, and hopefully this will help you think about some of those things. So I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving legal advice. I'm just sharing my experience and my thoughts, and hopefully it can still be helpful to you. So let's go. All right, one, you need to assess your needs. Now, when it comes to insurance, it's based on health and age. And so that's something we'll talk about down the road. But when you think about your needs, who is that person you're thinking about, or those people you're thinking about protecting? What will they need the day that you pass away, a week after you pass away, a month after you're gone, a year after you're gone? What will their needs be, and how do you want to address those needs? Is it going to be providing financial support through the life insurance? Are there going to be there's other tools within your will or your trust that you've left specific instructions behind to protect your legacy and share your legacy with loved ones? You need to assess your needs. What do you need? What does your beneficiaries or your loved ones need once you pass away? And that's going to help you. There are also things to think about while you're alive. Life insurance isn't just for when you pass away. There are living benefits. What are your medications that you're on? Do you need support with your vision? Do you need support with your dental? Where are the gaps where Medicaid and Medicare fall short if you're using any of those tools? So those are important to think about. Also, you need to understand the different types of insurance. Diff- there's essentially, when it comes to life insurance, well, there's two main types. There's term, and then there's whole life. And then within whole life, you could have universal or the regular traditional whole life. But within those, there's tons of different types that you can apply for and maybe help in your situation. I highly recommend, and it's going to be one of the slides, that you connect with a consultant, a professional, or someone who can walk you through the different ones. What's the difference between survivorship and actually having joint survivorship and joint riders? There's different things that you will want to know that can help you and know that there's so many different types that you should be able to find your needs met based on what those needs are. So compare quotes. If you're working with a strong agent that's not captive by just one carrier, then you should be able to get different quotes from different folks, or you could just do that on your own. But being able to find out what those different carriers provide is important. So essentially, shop around. You also need to check the financial stability of the insurer. Okay, so we want to make sure that the insurer stays solvent because the best insurance is the one that's there when you pass. And if your insurer has gone bankrupt or is not able to pay out, you need to check the credibility of that insurer, check their financial stability so that you can know that the money and the funds you're putting in every month to that premium is going to be guarantee that your benefits will be paid out to your loved ones when you pass. Make sure that you evaluate the policy features. If you're working with an agent, their job, they're regulated by the state to check every single policy feature and make sure that you clearly understand that. So evaluate it and make sure you do so. Number six, make sure you read the fine print as well. Again, there shouldn't be any surprises at all. And that's where a good agent or someone can support you with that. And you're doing your research just like you're doing now can support you. So make sure you read the fine print as well. There have been situations where you walk into homes and people think they have certain things in place, but they aren't, or they've expired, or they were set based on certain criteria, and you need to be aware of those things. Also, consult with a professional. Make sure that you're sitting down and speaking to someone who can sit shoulder to shoulder with you, has your best interests in mind, and can help guide you to make some informed decisions. It's just that simple. All right. So let's recap. Let's see. Oh, I have more. I didn't realize that. Review and update regularly, of course. Yes. Don't just set it and forget it. You want to review. Your agent or whoever you're working with should be staying in contact with you. You guys should know each other, Christmas cards, all that good stuff. But make sure that you're reviewing because as life changes, your needs and your desires may change, and you may want to update your policy, as well as you may have things that you qualify for that you need to check out as your policy matures. All right. I'm Courtney Rollins. I would love to respond to any thoughts or questions that you have. Reach me at Courtney at estateproservice.com. Also would love for any comments that you have so I can make this channel and this content better and specific to the needs that you have. All right. So would love any likes, any follow, subscribers. That'd be awesome so we can reach more people. This is the Life in Transitions Experts channel, LITE. Let your light shine. Cheers.